everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I did post up a poll on my YouTube channel asking you guys what advent calendar you wanted to see next. And it did come up as a tie, I'm not gonna lie, so I had to sort of pick for myself which one. So I decided to go with, as it says on the title, the Sheglam Advent Calendar. Now, I'm very excited to be reviewing this calendar. Not only I've not tried Sheglam products before, but I get to review the calendar as well. So, most excited for this. Now, this will be a long review. If you guys just want to know what's just inside this calendar, I will put a YouTube short straight after this video. I'm going to unbox this calendar and tell you guys everything that's inside and give you guys my honest thoughts about it. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single mega video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on the Sheglam Advent Calendar, just keep watching. Now, when I bought this calendar on the Sheglam website, this did retail for, if my memory is slipping, £67.49. And this is a 12-day advent calendar. This is not 24. So this is what it looks like. It's very sort of candy themed. So you have like a calendar at the front, which basically you can detach from the front and keep this for every day, so you can spin the little wheels here and change the date, which I think is really cool. And this is what the inside looks like. It's very pastry themed. It's so cute. Right, door number one is right here. It's this little cake door. Right, I've had to turn the light down, guys, because this was very washed out. But it is this product here. This is the Sheglam Pore No More Primer. So this does retail for $6.99 on the website. And it briefly does say about it that vanish pores with our Pore No More Primer. It blurs imperfections and creates a flawless, smooth canvas, like a magic trick for your face. For skin that airbrushed and ready to conquer the day, this primer has got you covered. So that sounds like a really good primer. I personally would only apply this probably on the oiliest parts of my skin because my skin is very dry. So probably just here, around here, and a little bit just here and there. I wouldn't apply this all around the face because this probably could dry your skin out. Oily skin, you could wear this all over the face if you wish. That's a good day number one. Day number two is right here. These look like Venus swirls, I think. We have a Sheglam translucent powder. Okay, this retails on the Sheglam website for £5.49 and they call it Blur in a Bottle. And it just briefly says about it, oil stands zero chance against this mattifying loose powder. Tap into our Blur in a Bottle loose setting powder with your favourite powder puff or brush to press snooze on the smile lines and creases. The long-lasting finish you'll get with this powder will also keep oil at bay and your glam fresh for hours on end. If you love a blurred matte finish, this powder will be your new best friend. Okay, I am more of a dewy person, but I'm happy to give this a go and help set the makeup. Day number three is right here. These look like jammy Dodgers. Door number three, you have this incredible eyeshadow palette. It's lovely for everyday wear. You have a very subtle shimmer colour, an intense shimmer, and two matte shades. This eyeshadow palette's in the shade Teddy Meringue. They have 4 others on the website. And this currently does retail for $5.49. And it just says about it, it's quite long, so I'm just going to pick little bits of it. This lightweight mini palette features silky semi-matte and fully matte shades that blend into one like fine cashmere. So very excited to be playing around with this. Door number 4 is right here. So we have 2 products in the door. We have 2 colored pencils. We have a brown one and a nude one. Can't find these two anywhere on the website, so I think these might be discontinued, but it's nice to have two kohl pencils. And yeah, these are just like retractable ones. So yeah, that's nice to have. Door number 5 is right over here. We have a lip stain. And this is in the shade Pinky Promise. Now this does retail for $3.49, which I think is quite a reasonable price for a lip stain. And it just says here on the website, treat your lips to our all-day tint with our full inline peel-off lip liner stain. With this lightweight lip liner tint, you can count your liner to last without feathering or transferring, which I love. So it just says on here to create the desired look, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and peel off to unveil the long-lasting look. So very excited. I love lip stains, so excited to give this one a go. Day number 6 is the croissant. And we have a styling stick. Retails for $10.99 on the Sheglam website. This is designed for your hair, and what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to help with flyaways and tame your hair. I'm very excited because my hair is always so messy. I never use any products to sort of keep my hair back, so I get a lot of flyaways, but my niece-in-law tends to use products like this. So I'm very excited to try this. This basically has a castor oil formula, so it's deeply nourishing and it gives a glossy, strong, style, slick look. Oh, that smells really good. That smells good. So quite generous, like it's quite a lot of product you get in this. So yeah, very excited for this one. Day number 7 is the cookie. And we have a liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Vanilla Frost. I'd be 100% honest, I'm not the biggest fan on liquid highlighters. I love cream blushes, I love cream bronzers, but liquid highlighters and me, we never seem to get along, do we? But I need to explore outside of my shell and need to try new things and try and make new things work. So yeah, I need to give it a go and figure out how to make it work. So anyway, this retails for $4.99 on the website, and it says about it, Glow Baby Glow, our Glow Bloom liquid highlighter will get you gleaming to the gods with its dewy, buildable, long-wearing finish and light as air hydrating formula. Long-wearing, cruelty-free, recycling, smudge-proof. Okay. Alright, highlighter, I'll give you a go and see if we can become friends. Day number 8, surprisingly, is the biggest door in the calendar. Right, I hope you guys can be able to see, but this is basically like a lip kit. It's like a sparkly lip kit, so you have the glitter here, the lip liner here, you have a sponge and a brush applicator, and I believe this is the adhesive for the glitter. Don't know if you guys will be able to see it, so it's basically red. And there's the pigment in there. The adhesive, by the way, is actually a lip gloss, and it retails on the website for $5.99, and it's at the shade Curtain Call, so it's a red shade, and it says on the website, the ultimate 3-in-1 lip has arrived. Reach for your lip dazzling glitter kit every time you have a glamorous outing or a casual day out. For a lip that dares to dazzle, include a lip adhesive, which is a gloss, brush, glitter, and liner. Our kit makes an ultra fast and simple to get a red carpet worthy look. Okay, I know these were quite popular, like quite a long time ago. I would say back in like 2000, I think it was 16 or 17, that these sort of lip kits, these glitter lip kits, were quite popular. Do you remember the ones that you would apply on your lips and then scrub them together and then you get like a sparkle coming out of it? It's kind of similar to that. So yeah, it's nice to see that it's still got a bit of a trend. Door number 9 is a ice cream sundae. And from the looks of things, it looks like we have a lip mask. It's called the Hydro Jelly Pocket Lip Jam in Gava Glow. Product in here And you have the lip brush applicator just there. Okay, this retails for $5.49 on the website, and it says about it that toss our Hydro Jelly Pocket Lip Jam in any bag or pocket for a jelly glow on the go. Give your lips a dose of intense hydration with this ultra nourishing jelly balm that soothes and smooths for a irresistible plush feel. Designed for deep moisturization and gentle smooth away flaky patches, which is what I certainly need. That's quite nice, a little lip mask, so it could be a good like skincare treatment as well, so that's quite nice. And I dig the packaging. I don't know why, but this little imprint here, it's quite satisfying to hold. I don't know why. Number 10 is right here, and we have a cream blush stick. It says on the website, get cheeky with our Buttery Bliss blush stick. Your secret to a flawless dewy glow. This silky smooth wonder glides on like a dream, blending seamlessly for a natural flush that's as buildable as your weekend plans. So it's perfect for touch-ups, hexagon design, keeping it chic and totally she-glam, hydrating, radiant, ready to slay. This blush stick is the glow up you deserve. So I've got to admit, yeah, the packaging is slightly different. I dig it. So yeah, excited to try this. We are nearly to the end, guys. Door number 11 is this pretzel. And we have one of the insane viral jelly eye sticks. Oh my gosh. Retail for $6.99 on the website. And it says about it, turn up the heat with our She Glam Crystal Jelly Glaze Stick. This dazzling wonder combined with water and dazzling pearls to deliver a wet, weightless, sparkling finish with a single swipe. With its unique, solid yet jelly formula, you get a bouncy crushed gemstone effect and a refreshing glass-like shine, just like dazzle of a galaxy. So like the dazzling of a galaxy. These have been so viral. I'm really excited to try this, and I've been wanting to try the other shades as well. They are just so pretty, so I'm excited to get one. Door number 12, as you guys can see, is the very last door. I've been very excited with this calendar, so it's sad for it to end. And of course, this would not be a She Glam calendar without one of their viral liquid blushes. I'm going to be honest, guys, I think what started She Glam's makeup line, what made it go extremely viral, I think we all have to agree, it has to be the blusher, because this went everywhere. I heard it all over Instagram. I heard it over TikTok. Bear in mind, I don't have TikTok, but I got notifications from it through Instagram, YouTube, even the internet. I researched saying what was the top best blusher, and it was this one. Everyone was going nuts, bonkers for it. So I'm just so happy that this was in the calendar, because this wasn't in the calendar, I'd be very, 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 very disappointed, because you've got to have their top viral product in here. So this retails for $5.49 on the website, and this is in the shade Candy Apple. It says, get flushed with our Colour Bloom Liquid Blush, featuring nourishing ingredients and a long-wearing, lightweight gel cream formula that loves your skin. A sponge tip applicator applies highly pigmented matte colour like a dream and leaves your cheeks pretty and plumped. Nice way to end the calendar. Alright guys, that is everything in this calendar. So, what are my honest thoughts about it? Well, according to the maths, the value of these items pretty much comes to pretty much the price of the calendar. So you're not really sort of saving too much money, if I'm truthfully honest. But if you're not sure what to buy from She Glam and you want to try some random products, then this calendar might be for you. But if you rather just buy products that you know you're going to love and you're going to wear, then I'd rather you use that £67 and buy the products that you want to buy and that you want to try. To be truthfully honest, I would say instead of having 2 blushers, I would say they should keep their viral blusher in there. And what would have been quite nice is instead of putting this product in it, they could have changed it for their viral contour cream product as well, because that's really, really viral. So they should have put that instead of this. And instead of having too many lip products, I probably would have changed it maybe for something for the brows or something like that, and an extra product for skincare or something like that. So I would have taken a couple of products out of the equation. I'm just looking at everything right now below me, so maybe putting a mascara in there, you know, that way it's pretty much nearly a full face of makeup. Foundation, cream, I understand with concealer and things like that, that's a bit of a risk to put in the calendar, but that's all I would have changed from it really. But apart from that, just looking down at everything, I would say this is a great calendar. This was a lot of fun, like I said, especially for someone who hasn't tried Sheglam before. This is a nice variation of products. I love the eyeshadow palette. I especially love this. I'm going to try this in a separate video. I might do a little short, but apart from that, I think it was great. I think this was a really fun calendar. I will be trying the makeup products on as well, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, that is my honest thoughts on the Sheglam calendar. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great day. You stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.